See, here the question is d square f by dx square, right, 2 df by dx plus f of x is equal to 0, right, where f is a function, right. F of 0 they given 1, f of 1 0, then f of 0.5. For this also we have to solve auxiliary equation first, right, because this is a second order linear differential equation. So we can write a m square minus 2m plus 1 equal to 0 format. Then this I can write as m minus 1 into m minus 1 equal to 0, that is m is equal to 1 1. If two roots, by solving we have two roots, two different root, then what we told the solution, what is the solution? Y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e raised to 1x, right, one of the root into roots are same, right. This is the solution, right. Now f of 0 they given 1, f of 0 they given 1 means put x is equal to 0, then y value 1, 1 is equal to c1 plus c2 into x value you put 0, e raised to 0, then what is c1 is equal to 1, right. After getting f of 1 is equal to 0, put x is equal to 1, then what this function value, right, that means f of x value, this is only y only f of x, right. Now you put 1, right, then c1 plus, here x is 1 into e raised to 1 equal to, right, our f of 1. F of 1 is equal to what they given, that is 0, then c1 plus c2 is equal to 0, right. Then what is c2? c2 is equal to minus c1, that is minus 1, right. c1 already 1, right. Now they are asking f of 0.5, so we can put that value here, c1 is 1, so our y is equal to c1 c2 we solved, we can put here, that is 1 plus, right, here c2 is minus 1 into x, right, into e raised to x, alright. Now y is equal to, we need y of 0.5, 0.5 is 1 by 2, right, and y of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 into e raised to 1 by 2, right. Now 1 by 2 into e value is 2.7 all raised to 1 by 2, right. Now we have to solve this 2.7 root, that is you get some 0.78, right. Okay, see 2.7 root is somewhat 1.4, 1.4 divided by 2 some 0.7. So you have to find the answer for two decimal places.